It was easy, but like it was a close game.
No, I said it was easy. Whoa, do you see these? Dude, there's like a shadow, like shadow footprints.
What
you fucking see that?
There's shadows of feet. Oh, that's probably from the new what?
Nagasaki victim colorized.
Oh shit, dude. Nagasaki.
I am 100% genuinely the worst player on this team.
Yeah, neither of us.
But at least you have a bayonet.
Believe me, Spook will get kills.
Spooked is a spook.
Alt mid, probably. Alt mid.
Throwing fire.
Not
I like
today,
how he puts a lot of
Asians.
faith.
One in boiler, going arch.
They're becoming A.
Ah! One's going balcony.
Alright, one's
Going
arches.
balcony.
One's arches.
On site.
Balcony.
Don't mess with the
Last
god.
dude's in abs. Oh no, there's two guys.
Oh my god, the sound, like,
I mean,
threw me off.
Good try.
you were god at one point.
That was weird.
I think I saw Jesus emerge from your toes at one point in that hill.
Thank you, dude.
You're not
I wish
welcome.
I was Jesus. Not even close.
Sorry, I'm an atheist. I don't believe in God. Why bring it up? Donald J. Trump was an inside job, but it was outside when 9/11 happened.
That's some conspiracy shit right there, Sink. Keep that to yourself.
One went B.
There might be going banana. Or one is.
I lied, round 3.
Can you guys see here more? I'm gonna make my way to B.
Oh, there's two over there. Oh, there's another
There's
one.
like one
He's
right
lit
car.
47. There you go.
Hey, good job there, dude.
Boy!
They had money, why did they go with Novas?
Because they're Novas.
Yeah, I'll do fucking damage with this Nova.
Hey!
Don't fucking threaten me with a good time.
I believe it's like, it's not like an insta-kill, with all the shots in it.
It's an insta-kill in my
Threaten me
hands.
with a good time.
I killed a man once with a banana.
Laying down smoke.
Peeled him in half.
I
You
killed a
could.
banana once with a man.
Grenade out.
Oh shit, that's hardcore.
Incendiary.
There's like 3 banana. Or 1 in banana, and then the. Oh.
Dude,
okay.
bullshit!
Pull back
I
orange.
fucking crouched and this guy 1-taps me. Well, 6-taps me.
No one's watching mid.
Yeah, I hear him coming B. Might need help. I'm flashed.
There are two
One
on
tap.
One foot. Grill.
Again on my
I think there's
own.
one grill in right.
Nah, I killed him.
I got bomb away by
two on
banana.
mid.
Get bumped
Oh,
off.
he's my car. Holy shit, he almost shot my dick off.
Hit 54 with an off.
God damn it. He knows where you are, Sink. Don't peek him.
Walk up on him, kill him. He's going,
He's going down banana. He's running down banana.
Go away.
Could have just killed him.
I'll meet him. Swear to God, if he goes B.
It's B. Wait. Stay close.
Stay.
What? What? Huh?
Too late. He was too late.
I guess that worked.
Oh shit, that was good.
Our dude was lagging like fucking crazy.
Did you guys like a decoy?
Grenade.
Did I just shoot you? I'm sorry.
I guess. I don't know. I did.
Yeah, I shot you with the hip or something. But you're a god, so it doesn't matter.
Why do they think we're gods?
On that banana?
Got the boys!
I
Boys!
didn't even see an enemy.
I was lit.
I saw two,
And I
but
killed-
I'm too much of a pussy to engage.
You're getting 2 more kills than Sydney.
Damn, guys, it's such ops, dude. It's such ops. Come on, right there.
Such. Whoa, wow, dude. You guys
Oh.
touched. Ooh.
Go, go, go.
That was,
Get on my way,
fuck-
Sink.
that was fucking gay.
Just the tip!
Just a tip. Got myself a free op. Damn.
I got myself a friendly neighborhood chicken.
Roger.
You mean this one right here? This one with the sweater?
Cheers, big fella.
I will fucking shoot you in the face.
Go, go, go.
I'm just gonna walk away.
Flashbang.
That was so suspenseful.
I'm gonna fucking shoot you.
It's witchcraft.
Yeah, if you could get up to that'd be bullshit.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Why?
Oh! How did he know he was there, dude?
I tried to fix the hammer, dude.
The hamburger? What?
Yo.
Laying down smoke.
One of them's
One's
for sure
one.
alt mid. He tried sniping through these walls.
I think I tagged that guy that was on wood. If I did, I'm gonna fucking.
Are you kidding me? I was fucking spraying perfectly
did.
on this guy.
Watch this no scope.
There's one out down there, orange.
I hear May, guys.
There was one down
the
banana.
Fuck? Watch out balcony. Yeah, watch your balcony. Either that or you're going boiler.
I'm flashed.
Fuck, perfect.
Yeah,
Oh,
one's
he has an op.
balcony.
He has an op sync. He has an op.
He's mid. Bench. With an up.
Yeah, he's probably gonna be going B then.
Still apps, so.
Alright, I'll go B
Alright, they're
then.
coming down now.
Oh, both of them there, sync. Both of them.
Hey, you
coming.
only scan.
Shit. You're right.
Good job there, Sand President. Orange owes you a skin, though. What are you giving him, Sync?
Warm God.
Are you doing it right now, dude? Don't do
Yeah.
it right now.
Why? It's easy
Oh,
as fuck.
there's a salt spray? Holy fuck, I need that salt spray. Holy shit.
Yeah,
What?
we're not too far off.
I know. What is bullshit? And it is upsetting. It's upsetting bullshit.
I'm gonna head Mexico. Actually, I'm just gonna say mid.
Dude, green
Let's
kind
try to
of
take
pushed
A
up.
then.
Yeah. They have shotguns, so
banana.
keep your distance.
Are you
Go ahead, go ahead.
kidding me? 2 banana lit 60.
Just go away.
2 of
Yeah.
them at 40
There's only
HP.
one on me.
Yeah, go on A.
I am planting the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
You think they're gonna come this way?
Yeah.
Oh,
Bomb's planted.
one's right there. Woo! A fucking headshot. Baby! Not even a chance.
Face me yellow. Oh, shit.
Actually, I'm gonna head B to see if I can get out people B.
I think it's going in.
Fucking terrible.
Alright. Oh shit, I'm coming blue.
God damn
One
it.
guy left.
I got fucking dazed. They know bomb's A, so hurry up.
Yeah, plant bomb.
He's banana. RP.
I'll knife him when the time comes.
Has been planted.
Fucking dirty slut.
Don't worry, Green, I got this.
Oh my god, Sing.
Did you just not see you?
Motherfucker. Blind as a motherfucking bat.
Did he?
No,
He must have not.
he's seen you for sure.
No, you started running. Probably heard you.
Yeah, Sink, you did
No,
wrong.
no, no. Yeah.
I heard one guy go to mid. Nice. Still pushing
I'm
a
going
little bit.
green.
Guys,
Nice.
hit down.
Planting.
That's Kisby.
We got bombed out.
Pussy.
What gun did he have? A Nova? This fucking slut.
Like I dropped down and just did like a 360.
Whoa, you can get up there.
You can
I
get
just got
anywhere.
really fucking good at one-tapping niggers all of a sudden.
Oh shit.
I'm just kidding, I love black people. Orange is looking at me like he's gonna do something to me, like in my soul.
It was just unexpected.
Oh,
It was like
shit.
when a bug flies into your mouth. You're not sure that it happened, but you know it did. And he must be late. He's got to be late. Who is it?
I don't know.
Osu.
This gun looks hecka clean, dude. Look at that.
Don't do that. As soon as you
Why?
do that, watch what fucking happens. Somebody pushes and you can't kill.
Yeah, you can. You can instantly shoot when you inspect.
Yeah, I know, but like...
Watch.
Oh, shit!
Told you.
The
Told you,
fucking
see?
luck. The fucking luck.
Please on the block.
Drop that, dude. Drop that, dude.
Why? Fuck you.
They're gonna fucking buy that shit.
Did you see that thing? Well, I can
Yeah,
still
I was
shoot when I'm inspecting.
Well, you weren't inspecting when you shot.
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
I was inspecting,
I thought you were
and then
just
I shot, and then...
I thought you like finished inspecting and then walked up and shot.
No, I started inspecting. Oh shit, dude.
Nice.
Fucking
Watch out,
clean.
car on banana.
I'll just smoke it off.
Bad smoke, sorry.
Oh,
Are you kidding me? This guy was fucking invisible.
there's one left side of mid, and he has a fucking auto.
One's in graveyard, lit 60.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
A fucking no scope.
Oh,
Oh, it was good though.
are you guys done for the day?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. It's 2 games, and then we done.